In 2250, Earth is a poisoned tomb. But within our walls, life endures. This is my fight, our last hope.
They promised us tools. We got scraps, but I'll build something from this rot if it kills me. Every part has a memory, most of them bitter. This one might keep us breathing another day. Data from before the burn, before the Eden contracts. If this is real, it changes everything. Coordinates, buried inside corrupted code. Someone tried to hide this. Someone from the inside. If it's real, that location is off-grid, which means danger or freedom. Drones aren't just couriers anymore, they're watchers. And lately, judges. One wrong spark, and they vaporize the whole camp. That's how Eden keeps order, through fear. This place was buried for a reason, but sometimes the truth hides in places even death forgot. They knew the land was dying long before the wars. They kept planning lies while the roots rotted. This was Earth, before Eden, before the burn. We were never meant to survive in poison. They erased whole zones from history, croplands that weren't supposed to fail, but did. Maybe on purpose. Alara's voice. If you found this, don't trust the shipments. They're dosing the food, controlling minds. Not a crop, a weapon. Bioengineered, unstable, banned by every ethics board before the wars. And now, it's growing in our fields. They found me. I don't know how, but this bunker was never meant to be opened again. No one can know I was down there. Not yet. Not until I understand what we're really growing. The fewer people who know, the better. Secrets here don't get you promoted. They get you buried. He said, "They took my daughter last night for questioning. That means she's gone. This isn't dinner, it's surveillance, and the food's laced. I can feel it dulling me night by night. Let them track that chip. It'll lead them in circles while I move in the shadows. If I want the truth, I can't play by their rules. The system's rigged. Time to break it. Every sound up here could give me away. Every echo could be the last thing I hear. They're not just watching the fields, they're watching the people. Every handshake, every glance, every whisper. They're tracking her, and if they find her before I do, she's gone. One wrong move, and they'll pull me out of here in pieces. Luck's rare here. I just got a drop of it. Time to move. The deeper you go, the less the city cares about what happens to you. This isn't water runoff. This is the same toxin we found in the fields. Someone's down here, not guards. Too quiet, too careful. If Neo Eden's hiding this underground, the truth is bigger and worse than I thought. Follow the shadows, find the source. But shadows cut both ways. They're following me too. Every inch forward feels like the tunnel is swallowing me whole. Not Neo Eden's script, something older, something they didn't build. Every second I take here is a second someone might find me. Places like this are graves for secrets, and sometimes for people. Project Ashfall. Never heard of it, but the dust here isn't from time, it's from fire. This isn't a cure, it's concentrated death. I've seen it in the fields, just weaker. Not alone, and judging by the sound, not welcome. They've got the drop on me, but I've got something they want. Rule 1, never give up your leverage. Rule 2, never let them know it. Distraction bought me seconds. Seconds are everything.
Whatever's in those vials, it eats through steel faster than rust. Sometimes survival is just blinding the right person at the right time. Light's gone, time's mine. They weren't expecting me to fight like I've got nothing to lose. Got what I came for. Time to vanish. Close quarters combat. Messy, but quick. If I drop it, I don't just die. I erase myself. One bottleneck. If I make it past here, they can't follow. I'm not out yet, but I'm alive, and that's the difference. Machines don't hesitate. One wrong breath, and I'm data on a screen. If the alarms reach this sector, I'll be trapped. Up is safety, or it's a bullet. 50-50 odds. They're faster than I hoped. Bad sign. One door shut, not locked. Even vents have eyes here. No record, no problem. This place died years ago, like most of us. Elara needs to know what I found, if she's still alive. She said one word, run, then nothing. No time for subtlety now. I'm a rat in their maze, but this rat bites. Forgotten corridors are my allies. Light means life, or trap. Even my suit doesn't want to be here. Radiation's not the killer. It's the time you waste. Locks are suggestions. First fresh air in hours. Still tastes like metal. This could be my ticket out. Quiet or loud? I'll decide in one breath. Loud comes later. Never met a lock I couldn't break. Enough to get far, not enough to get safe. They're already on me. No turning back now. Speed over stealth. I'll take my chances. Better a slow death than a fast one. Hide inside the Earth's scars. Alive. For now. This thing, it's worth more than my life. Day 7 ends. Tomorrow, the war starts.
Another day done. More work tomorrow. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next log.